I carved them last winter. You can find them in my Etsy shop. In this video you can see my pride and joy. True, this is not a DIY video but a showcase, yet I still hope you will welcome them with lots of love. One of the 4 carvings has a tiny little flow. Can you spot which figure it is and what the flow is? If you can, write it in the comments. Whoever guesses it first will have their comment pinned to the top. Do you know them? Do you know their names? Would you like to see me carve Smurfs on camera? Do you have any ideas for what I should carve next? You can write about this in the comments if you want. If you liked what you saw, give it a like, and if you didn't, give it a dislike. And if you want to see more like this from me, make sure to subscribe. It wouldn't hurt if you shared the video too. Keep watching, I have another surprise for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.